This is a demonstration video on how to use the revolutionary chain application tool in pulling 3-rail and 2-rail chains onto truck tires. This tool is brought to you by rjwhitesales.com and is patent pending in the United States and Canada. The tool consists of a bar, 3 pigtails with S-hooks on the ends. 2 outside pigtails are connected to the bar with quick links, and the middle pigtail is connected to the bar by inserting it into the bar, and there is a release rod that holds the chain into the middle position in the bar. Chain application tool works on 24.5 wheels. For smaller wheels, the pigtail chains can be shortened by dropping chain links at the end, quick links, and also the middle chain pigtail. The chain tool is now inserted into the wheel holes at about the 3 o'clock position. You have already laid your chain out behind the wheels. Hook your middle rails to the pigtail that is between the tires. Hook the far side chain rail to the chain pigtail, and now you're ready to hook the outside chain rail to the pigtail. You're ready to move the truck forward, allowing the chains to ride up onto the tires, driving around and stopping at about the 3 to 2 o'clock position. The first step is to unhook the outside chain rail from the pigtail. And that will allow you some slack when you get to the far side chain rail and pigtail. Reach in and grab the middle pigtail between the wheels. Pull the release handle. Disconnect the pigtail from the middle rails and hook the middle rails together. Reach over and grab the inside pigtail. It's on the far chain rail. Unhook it and hook your chain rails together. Now you can remove the tool and hook your outside chain rails together. Use your cam lock tool and tighten the cam locks. When you've completed that, you can apply your bungee cords or your spring tighteners, whatever is your choice. And that is how to apply 3-rail snow chains with the chain application tool. It's quick, simple, and easy, and a time saver in bad conditions. Now we're going to demonstrate how to prepare the chain application tool for the next chain application. Put your foot on the chain pigtails on the far side, pull up on the handle, insert the middle pigtail into the tool, release the handle, and your tool is ready. Second part of the demonstration is how to apply 2-rail chains to a single tire. Disconnect the quick link from the far end of the tool. Insert the tool into the wheel holes at the 3 o'clock position, similar to that of the 3 rails. Hook your inside chain rail between the tires to the pigtail. Hook the outside pigtail to the outside chain rail. You're ready to move the rig forward, and this will allow the chains to ride up onto the tires and stopping once again at the 3 to 2 o'clock position. Reach in and grab the pigtail between the tires. Pull the release handle. Remove the pigtail from the chain rail and hook the chain rail together. Hook your outside chain rail together. Use your cam lock tool and tighten the chains. Apply your bungee cords once again, or your spring tighteners. And that is how to apply singles to single tires and wheels. Now, if you have a need for applying chains to a front set of drivers, the process is similar with one difference. You will need to insert the chain application tool into the wheel holes at about the 9 o'clock position, and then backing the rig up, stopping at the 9 to 11 o'clock position. That's the way to apply chains to the front set of drivers. The tool is quick and easy and simple to use. You can find us at rjwhitesales.com, email ron@rjwhitesales.com, or phone at 530-246-8862. Thank you.